All right, it's time to wax the armpits again, and this time we are using Emerald Enchantment by Sexy Smooth, but I wanted to be able to zoom in and show you guys. This is what consistent waxing will do for your hair growth. I was previously, when I shaved, by the next day, 24 hours, I'd have prickles, and my hair was darker than this, rougher than this. This is about a month's worth of hair growth, but at least you can see it better. So with consistent waxing, the hair grows back sparser, thinner, softer. Like, I don't even feel this, whereas before, when I would shave, obviously within 24 hours I would feel pickly and itchy, and you have to shave this way, shave that way, shave all different types of ways. So I am gonna prep my armpits, and then we're gonna get to the waxing. All right, so we're gonna hold the skin taut. We're gonna go in a downward direction first. Look how nice it spreads. This wax has a nice dry time. It has a great grip. It is lightly scented. Make sure that our borders are good. Look at that, already dry, already dry. This wax has a great dry time. I actually have been using this brand of wax for quite some time. I was using the purple seduction or purple hypnotic, I forget the exact name. Whew. Ooh, that was a good one. I grab those hairs right by the root. But again, consistent waxing, this is the results you get. You don't have to wax as much. You don't feel it when it's growing back. You're not gonna get all that pickly feeling that you get when you're shaving, which is great. For me, that's benefit enough. To not have to feel that irritating, pickly feeling. Look at that. Dry time is amazing. Whoop. Not quite. Not quite ready yet, but that's okay. Ooh, yeah. Oof. That was a great one. So as you can see, my hair's growing all different directions. So sometimes that first strip, that downward strip, doesn't grab it all, but look at that. Fabulous grip. All right, and I like to do another cleanup this way, just because from years of shaving, my hair grows in all different directions. So I like to do this little cleanup strip to the side. Closing those borders is important so that you don't get residual wax stuck all over you. Make yourself a lip so you have something to grab. Probably have to clean up down there too. See? Nice and clean. Love it. But you can definitely see that the moisture was removed, so you want to make sure that you always follow up with like a nice oil. The oil's going to take any like residual pieces of wax off of there, and it's going to rehydrate the area. But nice and clean comparatively to the hair in the other one here. Sexy Smooth Emerald Enchantment.